Okay, it's just as easy to round decimals as it is to round whole numbers. We are working with the columns to the right of the decimal point, these ones over here. To look at the number that we have to round, we always have to look at one number to the right, just like with whole numbers. So if I have to round this number, 1.4293, to the nearest thousandth, here's our tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So this is the number that's going to change. So which number am I going to look at? I'm going to look at that one there. Okay, so let's do it then. The new number is then going to be 1.42, and 3 will not be changing 9 because it's lower than 5. 1.429. It has been rounded to the thousandth place. Next one. We need to round to the nearest hundredth. That's this column, so we're using this column to decide. Our new number will be 1.4. 9 is bigger than 5, so it's going to make that one more. 1.43. There we go. That one's rounded to the hundredth place. Now we're going to round to the 10th place. So this one's going to change based on this one here. Is it? I don't think so, because 2 is smaller than 5. So this one's going to be 1.4. 4 is going to remain the same because the 2 couldn't change it. It has now been rounded to the 10th place. This one, we're going to round the whole number, that one there. And that one's going to decide if it changes. And is it? No, it's not going to change because 4 is less than 5. So this one's going to round to 1. That's been rounded to the nearest whole number. Okay, this is your screen. What I want you to do here, once you've pressed pause, is you copy these down. The one we're rounding is the one that's underlined. So you're going to change that one using the one in front. Okay, change that one using the one in front, and so on. Do them quickly, and then we'll go through them when you come back. I'll see you after you press play again. Okay, so you're back. So this one, 6.3, we're going to be rounding the whole number, and 3 can't change 6 because it's smaller than 5. So 6.3 becomes 6. The next one, we're rounding the 10th column. And can it change? Yes, because 8 is bigger than 5. So it's going to become 4.5. The 8 changed the 4 into a 5. The next one, we're changing our hundredth column based on this 8 over here, and it will change because 8 is more than 5. So that's going to become 1.27. And the last one, we're looking at our thousandth column, and we're going to use this one to change it, and it will change it because it's more than 5. So that one's going to be 0.844. I hope you got those right. This is very simple to do, and it's an important skill for you to acquire for senior school. Very important. You will be asked to round decimals on a regular basis, and I would recommend you go find some to practice in your textbook, your school textbook, or else online. Download some worksheets off Google Images and practice them. I'll see you in the next lecture.